Hi, so today we're gonna make a slow motion video. So as you can see, this video is in almost 60 FPS. Usually we right click the video, choose the speed and duration and adjust the speed percentage. But in this video we're gonna do it a little bit different. So let's go to a media folder, right click on our clip, let's go to modify, timecode, go to interpret footage, and choose assume this frame rate and let's make it to, let's say, 30. And then click enter. And as you can see, we got a smooth slow motion clip. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in the next video.